Another big story here in the U.S. is this cruise ship, the Triumph. It's been like without power, just kind of floating at sea for 5 days, and they finally towed it into Mobile, Alabama.
The toilets were overflowing and whatnot.
Last night. Yeah, this is Fox News last night.
It was very difficult with the sewage smells and the lack of light and air.
And it's my understanding that down in the ship, it's pitch black. And describe what conditions are like. Describe the smells, etc.
No matter what happens, every person that's interviewed that's on the ship
is
going to get asked about the smell. The news reporters want the poo so bad.
Yep.
They want it so bad.
Well, it smells like old rank water, stale air, because no air is blowing through. There was some sewage spillage, and everybody, of course, is using the bio bags.
Yes.
Although the crew picks them up very quickly as you put them outside, and that's just the way it is.
Yeah, act like you're disgusted. Yeah, right. You asked the question. What do you think was going to be the answer? It smells delicious in here, you know. Got about 4,000 people that
5 days with no air conditioning on it.
Going on a ship, it's fine. Yeah, they give them like these red biohazard bags to go in.
Yeah, everybody's been going in a little baggie.
I don't get that. You're on a ship. You know? Plunk.
Just Mother Nature there.
Drop it in the ocean.
Let the fish take care of it.
This is on CNN.
Buckets and bags because the toilets don't work. Raw sewage streaming down hallways and pouring down walls. Yes, terrible, but true.
Yo, pouring down walls? Sewage walls? Oh. It's like
nasty.
one of those fountains that you dip the marshmallows
No, you don't want to dip
No?
anything
We
in
were
that.
talking about those fountains?
We just got some video in that shows it. A warning, it is pretty gross. It was taken by a passenger walking through one of those flooded corridors. If you want, take a look and listen.
Yeah, the news acts like they're disgusted. They
Take a look.
absolutely love this. As you see here. In the CNN video, there's literally buckets full of brown. There's like Tupperware containers full of it. They act like they're disgusted. Yeah, just, this is one of the grossest things you'll possibly see.
Give it a look.
A full hallway of sewage and it pouring down the walls. Here we go. Yeah, listen to that. It's not water. This is so disgusting.
Oh, wow.
I don't know why we're airing this.
That's not good. Obviously,
not
she's
good.
not walking through
Horrible.
bath
No,
water
that's
there, so
poo.
you get the
No
picture.
bath
It's
water.
not a pretty one.
Again, once
Bath water's
again,
not brown.
just to reiterate, that is not bath water. That is 100% sewage, and this is totally vile and disgusting.
There are no logs in bath water. Just want to make sure everybody knows.
I would have freaked out on that shit, man. I would have resorted to monkey-like tendencies, you know?
Just survival to get
I
by
would have
at
been
that
writing
point.
messages on all the walls.
Save
with
me.
My own
Help.
make and everything. And I don't get the going in bags and then the crew is coming by to clean it up. No, man. Feed those dolphins. I would have just been hanging over the edge, hanging over the railing.
Making bait.
Let it fly. Oh! Let it fly. I've been stuck on this ship for 4 days with office ladies in Hawaiian shirts. Just feeding the dolphins.